300 millimeter wafer fab. The 300 millimeter wafer fab is a powerhouse of modern technology, producing the tiny chips that make our smartphones, computers, cars, and AI systems work. Using huge 300 millimeter silicon wafers, these fabs can create thousands of chips at once, making production faster, more efficient, and cheaper than older 200 millimeter facilities. Inside, ultra-clean rooms are filled with precision machines and robots that carefully guide each wafer through hundreds of steps, from etching to photolithography, building circuits smaller than a single strand of DNA. Every step must be perfect. One tiny mistake can ruin an entire batch. These state-of-the-art fabs are vital for the global tech industry, powering everything from 5G networks and self-driving cars to advanced AI and cloud computing. They aren't just factories, they're the birthplace of the devices and systems shaping our modern world. With every wafer processed, these fabs are helping push technology forward, making chips faster, smarter, and more capable. From cutting-edge robotics to life-changing electronics, the 300 millimeter wafer fab is where the future of innovation truly begins, quietly fueling the gadgets, vehicles, and AI systems that define our everyday lives. Aleph Flying Car Concept. The Aleph flying car concept is a groundbreaking vision of the future that combines the practicality of a car with the excitement of flight. Created by Aleph Aeronautics, this fully electric vehicle drives like a normal car on the road, but can take off vertically to soar above traffic with just the push of a button. What makes it truly unique is its innovative design. The cabin stays perfectly level while the outer body rotates, allowing it to fly sideways like a drone. On the ground, it can travel up to 200 miles, and in the air, it can cover around 110 miles, making it both versatile and efficient. Designed to be street legal, it fits into standard lanes and parking spaces just like any regular car. The Aleph flying car represents a major step toward a future where drivers can escape traffic jams and travel freely through both roads and skies. It's more than just a concept. It's the beginning of a new era in personal transportation, blending advanced engineering, sustainability, and freedom of movement like never before. Axial flux motor. The axial flux motor is a revolutionary new type of electric motor that's changing the way we think about performance and efficiency. Unlike traditional motors that are long and cylindrical, this one has a flat disc-shaped design. This smart design allows it to produce much higher torque and power while being lighter and more compact. Leading companies like Yasa, Avedo, and Beyond Motors are at the front of this innovation, creating motors that can deliver over 400 kilowatts of power while weighing only about 30 kilograms. These powerful and efficient motors are already being used in supercars like the Ferrari SF90 and McLaren Artura, helping them achieve incredible speed and responsiveness. But their potential doesn't stop there. Axial flux motors are also being adapted for electric aircraft, thanks to their lightweight structure and outstanding energy efficiency. Axiom Station. Axiom Station is set to become the world's first private space station, marking the beginning of a new era in commercial space exploration. Built by Axiom Space, this next-generation station will first attach to the International Space Station, with its first module launching in 2027 and a full crew habitat arriving by 2028. Once the ISS retires, Axiom Station will detach and operate independently as a fully functional orbiting station. It's designed for advanced scientific research, space manufacturing, and even space tourism. The station will include cutting-edge laboratories, wide viewing windows, and luxurious interiors designed by Philippe Starck, offering comfort along with innovation. Axiom Station isn't just another space project. It's a vision of the future where people can live, work, and explore beyond Earth. By paving the way for a sustainable economy in orbit, it represents a major leap toward making space more accessible for both science and industry, and even for private travelers looking to experience life among the stars. Biomass mission. The Biomass mission is a groundbreaking satellite project that's transforming how we study Earth's forests from space. Launched in April 2025, it uses a powerful P-band radar that can actually see through thick layers of trees to measure the amount of wood and vegetation beneath the forest canopy. This incredible technology helps scientists calculate how much carbon is stored in forests worldwide, a vital step in understanding and tackling climate change. Built by Airbus in the UK, the satellite orbits Earth up to 16 times a day, creating precise 3D maps of tropical, temperate, and boreal forests throughout its 5-year journey. These maps will allow experts to track deforestation, forest regrowth, and the overall health of our planet's green ecosystems. The data collected will play a huge role in shaping global climate policies and protecting nature for future generations. By giving us a clear picture of the world's forests, the Biomass mission acts like a doctor for Earth's lungs, showing where they're thriving and where they're struggling, leading the way toward a more sustainable and eco-friendly planet. The Boeing 777X is setting a new benchmark in modern aviation with its incredible power and advanced technology. At its heart is the GE9X engine, the world's largest and most efficient commercial jet engine, now officially in full production. Built exclusively for the Boeing 777-9, the biggest twin-engine passenger plane ever made, this engine features a massive 134-inch fan and delivers a record-breaking 134,000 pounds of thrust. Using lightweight materials like carbon fiber, ceramic composites, and even 3D printed parts, the GE9X is designed for top performance and 10% better fuel efficiency than earlier models. These engines will power the Boeing 777X, which is expected to take flight commercially by 2026. Major airlines, including Qatar Airways, have already placed big orders, showing strong confidence in its future. With its longer range, quieter engines, and unmatched passenger comfort, the 777X promises smoother, faster, and more eco-friendly flights. It's not just another airplane. It's a bold leap toward the future of air travel, combining innovation, luxury, and sustainability like never before. China's block submarines. China is creating a powerful underwater defense system to protect its waters and monitor enemy submarines, especially in the strategically important South China Sea. At the core of this effort is the Great Underwater Wall, an extensive network of seabed sensors, sonar devices, and unmanned underwater vehicles that can detect and track submarines moving deep below the ocean surface. This high-tech system allows China to maintain constant surveillance and respond quickly to any potential threats. In addition to this underwater network, the Chinese Navy is upgrading its anti-submarine capabilities from the air, using advanced helicopters like the Z-20F and conducting intensive drills to improve speed and accuracy in tracking targets. Together, these measures form a multi-layered strategy designed to secure China's maritime borders and dominate one of the world's busiest and most contested waterways. Beyond simply expanding military power, this project represents a revolutionary approach to underwater monitoring and defense. By combining advanced technology with strategic planning, China is setting new standards for controlling the seas, turning the South China Sea into one of the most closely watched and defended regions on Earth. This underwater network could transform naval defense, making it smarter, faster, and more effective than ever before. ETH Zurich 3D Printing and Construction. ETH Zurich is revolutionizing construction with cutting-edge 3D printing technology. Their robots can print complex steel mesh molds that serve both as formwork and reinforcement, allowing for strong, bold, and sustainable concrete structures. Using mobile robots, ETH Zurich can even print buildings directly on site, speeding up construction and minimizing waste. Their innovative eggshell technique produces thin molds that are quickly filled with high-performance concrete, creating precise and durable architectural elements with incredible accuracy. Beyond building structures, they are pioneering voxel-based 3D printing, which offers microscopic control for advanced applications in robotics and electronics, enabling integration of intricate mechanical and electronic components directly into the design. This technology allows architects and engineers to explore new forms and designs that were impossible with traditional methods. From entire buildings to tiny structural details, ETH Zurich is transforming the construction process, making it faster, more sustainable, and highly efficient. Their work demonstrates how robotics, precision printing, and smart design can come together to create the next generation of construction. NASA's Europa Clipper mission is set to explore one of the most mysterious worlds in our solar system, Jupiter's icy moon, Europa. Launched in October 2024 on a SpaceX Falcon Heavy, the spacecraft will travel more than 18 billion miles to reach Jupiter by 2030. Europa is covered by a thick layer of ice, but beneath it lies a hidden ocean that could contain the essential ingredients for life: water, energy, and the right chemical elements. The Europa Clipper will make 49 close flybys, scanning the surface and probing beneath the ice with powerful scientific instruments to learn more about this ocean and its potential habitability. Scientists hope the data will reveal whether Europa could support life, which would be a groundbreaking discovery for humanity. The mission will also map the moon's icy surface, study its composition, and examine its thin atmosphere, providing an unprecedented view of this distant world. Europa Clipper is more than a space mission. It's a bold step toward understanding life beyond Earth. By uncovering the secrets of Europa's hidden ocean, it could transform our knowledge of the solar system and bring us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? This mission represents the future of deep space exploration. FireStop 3S is a cutting-edge fire protection system created to keep critical infrastructure safe across various industries. Developed by Himki RIR, it offers a complete range of products that work together to prevent and control fires effectively. The system includes Jeff 3S, a strong fire retardant coating that protects structures; Agni 3S, a sealing solution that blocks fire from spreading through cable openings; Pega's 3S fireproof panels for walls and surfaces; and Duran 3S, which boosts the fire resistance of metal frameworks used in high-risk sectors like oil and gas. Each component is built with precision, tested under extreme conditions, and certified to meet the highest international safety standards. With a production capability of up to 100 tons per day, FireStop 3S is designed for large-scale industrial and construction projects that demand maximum safety and durability. The Gaia telescope by the European Space Agency has completely changed how we see our galaxy. Launched in 2013, Gaia orbits far from Earth to capture ultra-precise data about more than 2 billion stars. It measures their positions, distances, brightness, and motion to build the most detailed 3D map of the Milky Way ever created. This incredible space telescope helps scientists uncover how our galaxy formed, how it's evolving, and what might happen in the future. Gaia has also discovered hidden star clusters, ancient cosmic collisions, new exoplanets, and even provided clues about the mysterious dark matter surrounding us. Over the years, each new data release from Gaia has revealed more secrets of our cosmic neighborhood, showing how stars are born, move, and eventually die. After more than a decade of service, Gaia's mission officially ended in early 2025, but its vast collection of data will continue to power scientific discoveries for many years. The telescope's legacy lives on, helping us understand the story of our galaxy and giving humanity a deeper view into the heart of the universe, one star at a time. Haven 1, created by VAST, is on its way to becoming the world's first commercial space station, changing the way humans live and work in orbit. Planned to launch in May 2026 on a SpaceX Falcon 9, this state-of-the-art station offers 45 cubic meters of living space, including private crew quarters, a deployable dining table, and a stunning domed window that gives astronauts an incredible view of Earth. VAST has already begun testing the station's structure, marking a major step toward making this ambitious project real. The first mission, called VAST-1, will send 4 astronauts for a 30-day stay to carry out groundbreaking experiments, including tests simulating lunar gravity. But Haven 1 is more than just a research station. It's modular and expandable. Future modules like Haven 2 will increase its size and capabilities, supporting space research, manufacturing, and long-term human habitation. With global partnerships driving its development, Haven 1 is a bold glimpse into the future of living in space. It's not just a station. It's a stepping stone for humanity's presence beyond Earth, paving the way for commercial space habitats where science, innovation, and human adventure can thrive in orbit. Hydrocarbon extraction, PSGO. Hydrocarbon extraction is the process of obtaining oil and natural gas from deep underground, where they formed over millions of years from ancient plants and animals buried under layers of rock and sediment. Companies use deep drilling on land or offshore, and sometimes advanced methods like hydraulic fracturing, to reach these fuels that are hidden in hard-to-access areas. These hydrocarbons are essential for daily life, providing energy for cars, electricity, and industries all over the world. However, extracting them has serious environmental consequences. It can damage landscapes, pollute water, and release greenhouse gases that contribute to climate change. In physical geography, hydrocarbon extraction is significant because it changes the natural terrain and affects ecosystems on both local and global scales. Understanding its impact helps scientists, engineers, and policymakers plan more responsibly, balancing energy needs with environmental protection. While oil and gas remain vital for modern economies, hydrocarbon extraction highlights the ongoing challenge of meeting energy demands sustainably. IBM Quantum Computer. IBM is working on a groundbreaking quantum computer called Starling, planned to be ready by 2029. This powerful machine will be the first large-scale fault-tolerant quantum computer, meaning it can perform complex calculations without the usual errors that limit today's systems. Starling will use 200 logical qubits to handle over 100 million quantum operations, making it nearly 20,000 times stronger than the best computers we have now. What's special about Starling is its smart error correction system, which makes it faster and more reliable while needing less hardware. It will be housed in IBM's new quantum data center in New York, where it's set to change how we solve real-world problems. From discovering new medicines and materials to improving logistics and global research, and that this computer could unlock possibilities never seen before. With years of planning, research, and major partnerships behind it, IBM's Starling project is a big step toward making quantum computing truly practical and dependable, opening a new chapter in the future of technology. Laser Internet Technology. Laser Internet technology is transforming how we connect to the digital world by using beams of light instead of traditional cables or satellites. Pioneering projects like Alphabet's Tara use free space optical communication, (FSO), to send data at incredibly high speeds, up to 20 gigabits per second across distances of 20 kilometers. This makes it perfect for rural and remote areas where laying fiber optic cables is expensive or impossible. The system uses smart terminals with sensors and intelligent algorithms to maintain a stable connection even in challenging weather conditions. ensuring reliable internet access no matter what. Unlike conventional networks, laser internet is fast, flexible, and scalable, opening up opportunities for education, business, healthcare, and communication in underserved regions. By bridging the digital divide, this technology can connect millions of people worldwide who previously had limited or no internet access. It's not just about speed, it's about accessibility, efficiency, and inclusion. Whether it's remote villages, isolated research stations, or expanding urban centers, laser internet offers a modern solution to global connectivity challenges. This innovation is paving the way for a future where high-speed internet is available almost everywhere, bringing people, communities, and countries closer together than ever before.